How to add Wise bank account to Payoneer. So make sure you know your Wise bank account information, and once you have logged into Payoneer, then what we have to do is go to bank accounts near the bottom and then select the first option, which is bank accounts for withdrawal. So right here you can see the option to add a new account, so just click on add account. And we have to fill in this information right here. So for the bank account type, we want to leave it as personal, and this is important. So you have to select the country which you use for your Wise bank account. For example, let's do Canada. I'm just going to search for Canada and we can add it, and then select bank account currency. So we're going to do Canadian dollars. So after you have filled this in, then what you have to do is click on next. And here is where we actually write the Wise bank account details. So you have to log in into your Wise account and you have to copy all of this information. But what's really important is that your accounts actually match. So for example, if your Wise account is Canadian, then you have to select Canada here as well. If it's Australian, you have to select Australia here as well. And basically you just fill in all of this information. You have to agree to the terms and you have to confirm these bank account details. And after that you will click on next, and it will tell you that they're going to confirm all of the information, and it will take a few days for them to either approve or deny your account. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.